These are the two demons you were talking about.
Wow.
They're not afraid of turning up the flames on these. I'm seeing garlic and oil, and I'm seeing red pepper,
Yeah. Three kinds of pepper.
3 kinds of pepper. And what's the white one?
Pork oil.
Pork oil. That's called fat. Yeah. If I live, I'm gonna really like this.
はい、お願いします。はい、お待ちお願いします。
What's up?
I've never seen so many ingredients in one bowl. It takes 2 guys to do it.
Okay, finished.
Mine is more red. I'm gonna die.
I got beer for you.
I'm excited because it's scary and beautiful. Like my wedding night.
Extra.
Extra. I'm Mr. Extra. I'm afraid of this guy.
It's coming.
Oh.
It's quiet at first, and then a wave of punishment washes over me.
This is a punch in the face.
Yeah. How's your heat going?
It's good. My lips are on fire. My nose is running. I'm crying. I'm sweating. But I can't stop. Call my wife and tell her I love her. Whoa.
Maybe you need more beer?
Maybe I do. Oh,
Kampai.
thank you for bringing me here.
Finish the bowl is etiquette for the chef. Just kidding.
That was spectacular.
ありがとうございました。
I see you again
またお会いしましょう。
in my nightmares.
So, how was it? 2 demons.
2 demons are dancing now and
Yeah.
fighting in my stomach. Now I want something chocolate.